So you may be getting this message on your iPhone, SIM not supported, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to unlock it so that you can bypass it and start using your iPhone again. Alright, so the SIM not supported message is a message that you will get when your iPhone is locked to a certain carrier and you insert a SIM card that is from another carrier. It's going to take you to the activation process, and once you go through it, it's going to give you this message which says SIM not supported because you have installed a SIM card that is from another carrier. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and show you how we're going to unlock your iPhone in this video. This is going to work for any iPhone on any iOS from any carrier, as long as it is a GSM iPhone, because once you unlock it, you'll be able to use it with other GSM carriers. GSM carriers here in the United States are AT&T, T-Mobile, Metro PCS, and the list goes on and on. CDMA carriers, on the other hand, are like Sprint, Boost Mobile, and these are carriers that you're not going to be able to use. But you can certainly unlock your Sprint or Boost Mobile iPhone and use it with any other GSM carrier. So a couple things we're going to need is you're going to need a Wi-Fi connection so that you can connect your iPhone to Wi-Fi to do the unlock process, and you're going to need to update to the latest iOS. So make sure that your iPhone is updated. And the final thing that you're going to need is this special unlock chip, which there's going to be a link to it down below in the description where you can get it, and you have to make sure you get the right one because there's many companies out there making these chips and a lot of them don't work. But we have the link down below in the description for the ones that we use on a daily basis, which do work and they're guaranteed to work. And the other thing that you're going to need, which is also down below in the description, is the current up-to-date ICCID, which you will also get it when you place the order of the chip. All right, and without further ado, let's jump into the video now to show you how it's done. Alright, so as you can see, with the SIM card that we have in here, it's going to keep giving us this message, SIM not supported, as you can see. So let's go ahead and remove this SIM card. See, once I remove it, it takes us to the home screen and you can see everything perfectly. So let's go ahead and remove the SIM card. And as you can see, in there is a T-Mobile SIM card. So we're going to go ahead and place a AT&T SIM card now, because this phone is from AT&T carrier. And as you can see, once we place in the AT&T SIM card, it stays here in this screen. It doesn't take us to the activation screen because it is a AT&T phone. And this goes for any carrier. Any carrier that you place in the same SIM card, it's going to stay on the home screen, no problem. But once you put in a different SIM card, for example, like I mentioned before, this T-Mobile SIM card, it's going to take you straight to the activation screen. See, activation required. And you're going to have to go through these steps here. And it's going to say SIM not supported. See, it's trying to read the SIM card, but it's not going to work. So now we're going to go ahead and unlock it. I'm going to show you how to do it. It's really simple. So we're going to be using this special unlock chip. It has a flap because the new iPhones, iPhone XR and above, they come with a inverted SIM card tray. So that's why the unlock chips come with this flap. So what you're going to do is you're going to place the metal side here of the SIM card. Okay, you're going to place it like this on the unlock chip. So the unlock chip, it's going to have dotted lines here, as you can see. You can see like it has some lines. Okay, you're going to place it just like this. The metal side of the SIM card on the metal pins of the unlock chip. You're going to place it just like that. And then once you have it on there just like this, you're going to go ahead and flip this side over. You know, flip it over like that. Position it in there nice and firm. Make sure that it's on there nice and tight. And then once it's on there correctly, then you can go ahead and flip it over like this, and you're going to place it on the SIM card tray of the iPhone. So it's going to look something like this. You're going to place it here. It's going to have the cutout part right here, the edge, and that part is going to go facing down on the SIM card tray. You're going to place it on there, squeeze it in to make sure that it falls on there correctly, just like that. It's going to look just like that. And then you're going to go ahead and just place it in the iPhone very carefully. Place it in there and push it in gently. Perfect. So this menu is going to appear after a few seconds. Then you're going to select Cyber Mode, Cyber Manual 2. Here you're going to input the correct ICCID, which is also going to be down below in the description. And when you order the unlock chip, you're also going to receive it as well in the instructions. So here we're going to type in the correct ICCID, which right now it is, so it's 890141 2704 2160 0107. Once you have it completely typed in, you're gonna hit send. All right. If you get this message again, you're just gonna repeat it. Cyber mode, Cyberman02. Okay, we're gonna erase this once again. Make sure we have the right one. 8901 4103 2704 2160 0107. Hit send. It's gonna say okay. Hit accept. And you're going to be able to go to the home screen. You're going to swipe up. You're going to go through this process right here, and it's going to take you to the home screen and unlock the iPhone. And there you go. Took us to the home screen. Now we're going to have to follow a couple more simple steps to receive the signal completely and the data. So we're going to go to settings. We're going to go to general. No, I'm sorry. We're going to go to settings. You're going to go to cellular. Here in cellular, go to cellular data options and make sure that enable LTE and data roaming is enabled, both of them. Then we're gonna go back, go to network selection. Here we're gonna disable automatic, so turn that off. And once the list appears, we're gonna select the carrier of the SIM card that is in the iPhone that we want to use. So in this case, the SIM card I put in there is T-Mobile, so we're gonna select T-Mobile from the list. All right, once you have it selected, go back, go to SIM applications, and select reactivate. Okay, it's gonna say signal updating. It's gonna take us back to the activation screen. Here we're gonna have to go through these steps here and just give it a few seconds, and it will pick up signal and unlock your iPhone, and it will be ready for use with all of its features. And there you go. The iPhone has taken us to the home screen. It's unlocked. As you can see, there is reception bars up here now. So let's swipe down. As you can see, it's reading the SIM card perfectly. T-Mobile. It has reception. Let's go ahead and power off the Wi-Fi to see if it received data as well. So Wi-Fi powered off. And as you can see, with the Wi-Fi powered off, let's go and use the internet so we can test it out. Google, yep, it's working. As you can see, it's loading pretty quickly. So the data is working without the Wi-Fi. And let's make a phone call.
The number you have dialed is not in service.
And as you can see, it is dialing and making phone calls as well. So your iPhone on iOS 13.5 has been completely unlocked, and you should be able to use it now with any carrier that you wish to use it with. And as you can see, it is up to date. Make sure your iPhone is up to date as well to unlock your iPhone with this process. All right, everyone. So that is it for this video. Go ahead and give it a like if it helped you out. Remember, we're gonna have links down below in the description to all the information in the video, and I will see you in the next one. And as always, peace.